Good morning, trading world. It is December 21st, 2022, 8:18 a.m. on the East Coast, and this is my pre-market outlook and technical analysis for trading the markets. Does the ascend from Monday's lows continue and break the glass ceiling, or do we head back down for a bit? That is the title for this morning's pre-market outlook. Since Monday, we have been on almost a steady ascent from pre-market lows. Will that come to an end at some point, or some type of glass ceiling between 384 on the SPY and 386? My opinion is temporarily yes. I think it will take a couple of tries to bust through that resistance level on a primary expiration day. For those of you that don't know, it has only been just recent that we have expiration days every day on the SPY. In my eyes, I continue to look at the primary expirations as Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So to me, if we are going to break through, it will happen on one of those days, either a Monday, a Wednesday, or a Friday. And today just happens to be Wednesday. This all goes along with the underlying buildup of a big gamma event coming. Will this gamma event happen today, Thursday, or next week? We will see. Again, for me, I will continue to wrap gifts until we see extremes. And those extremes are 375 down to 365 on the low side, and then 390 to 400 on the top side. That's pretty much it. Like I said, continuing to wrap gifts, that means I won't be doing too much of anything. So with that, let's get into the key levels of the day. And just to show you, and this is actually exactly what I was looking for to happen on Friday, but it didn't. It ended up happening pre-market Monday. And as you can see, we've kind of been on a pretty much grindy uptrend since we hit that low at 376. My call was for 375, 374 area. But as you can see, this is a well-known supply-demand area that I have highlighted here. Just like this is here, and we've broken through it. So we can head up, and you can see I have another big or key supply-demand area at 392. So I don't expect for us to head straight to that 392. I do expect some resistance here. I'll call it a glass ceiling at this 386 level, where we would probably get a retrace, gather some momentum up, and then try to power through. Let's get to the key levels of the day. All right, here we are back with the key levels of the day. Starting on the resistance side, we have our jack resistance at the 383 to the 384 area. Then we have our queen resistance at the all-important 385, 386 level. Remember, this is where I'm calling for that kind of glass ceiling, where we kind of maybe reject off of the first time. And then we have our king resistance, 387 to the 392 area. On the support side, we have our jack support at 381 to the 380 area. And then our queen support at 379 to the 378 area. And then king support 377 to the 373 area. When we do get to this gamma event, whether it happens today, I'm thinking not likely today, but it can happen. Just the probabilities are for me lower of it happening today. But when we do have this gamma event, I'm looking for a pop up well above 392, possibly up into the 400s. And this rejection could possibly take us back down into this supply demand area around 381, 380. The main thesis for today is bullish, closing above the 380.54 with a projected target high of between 380 and 386. The alternate thesis is bearish, closing below the 380.54 excuse me, with a projected low of between 379 and 373. The current major channel we're in is 397 all the way back down to 379. Remember again that 379 is going to hold a lot of support. The major channel below that, 379, goes all the way down to 364. We do have harmony between the technical side, which is bullish, and the quant side, which is also bullish. Market strength and breadth pushed up at the open, then consolidated throughout the day to form kind of a rising wedge yesterday. So I look for those to kind of back off a bit today as we prepare for a gamma squeeze type event, either this week or next week going into the first. So those are my thoughts on the market today. I hope this helps. Not really going into scenarios today, but I do see a pop back down and then a retry as we may take a couple tries to break through the glass ceiling at 386. As always, I hope this helps, and reminding you your most important job as a trader is to protect the capital that you already have, and we do this by knowing and understanding the risk that we have on in each position and managing that risk in accordance to our account size. For those of you that listen to my videos, I will be reaching out and requesting some feedback. I am looking at launching a website so that I can kind of put everything in one place and track information so that I can send updates real time, and looking at doing a few more things through the website. So I will be looking for feedback. If you don't mind, comment below if you'd like to participate in the feedback, and I will contact you there. So again, not really doing much because of the holidays, just kind of waiting for extremes. But again, I'd like to take the time as we go into the holiday to wish everyone happy holidays, and to remind you again, if you'd like to participate by giving me your feedback, through a questionnaire, or just me asking a few questions as I kind of get things together on the website and how things are going to go from there. Please leave or comment in the comment section below that you would like to participate. And I'm pretty sure, I can't say what yet, but there will be bonuses for people that participate early on. Thank you so much again. Happy holidays. Wishing you a positive trading day. Make it a great one.